The Pakistani community of Lira City has donated foodstuff to disabled persons of Lira City to enable them celebrate Eid al-Fitr.
Michael Oboke, President Pakistan Association Lira. Today we are in Lira City East to help the disabled people. And this work we are doing it since 4 to 5 years continuing. Every year on Eid Day we try to share whatever little resources we have. We try to share with our disabled people, those people who cannot move, those people who cannot see. There are so many types of disabled which we always help. And today, as Pakistan community, we have gathered 100 packages, 100 families, those who are disabled. And this is the part of social responsibilities out of what we are earning here, and that's what Pakistan community trying to do it. Apart from this also, in the fasting month we are supporting different mosques, different students in different schools. Also this fasting month we have tried to build a mosque in Abangmola, where we're going to commission, I think after 1 week we are going to commission that mosque. It is almost completed. There was no mosque in Abangmola, so people used to tell us about that, and we have already built. Inshallah, I think 1 week, 2 weeks we are going to commission on that. So much for the support always media team give us to take our voice to different peoples, to the government levels. So we always appreciate for that. Thank you so much.
Leadership of Lira City has appreciated the initiative of the Pakistani who have been very consistent in supporting the community of Lira City.
Member who is a person with disability, that is Honorable Abdul Bintu, and is the Secretary of Community-Based Services. And today we are here presenting gifts presented by Pakistanis community to people with disability. We work together. It's also our call to all construction works that are going out in the division, especially health centers and then schools, that when the construction work is going in there, we need ramps to be put in place so that people with wheelchair can easily move to access the facilities easily. Secondly, we also put in place that when construction work is going on, sanitary facilities like toilet, we put in place where a person with disability can access that facilities like sanitary facilities easily. This time we have written out several letters to higher local government like Lira City that they should put in their budget of recruiting an interpreter to government of Uganda, so that we can have interpreters in all health centers, in all court of law, so that when people move to referral hospitals, even to health centers, we have somebody who is going to interpret key issues that are going to affecting people with disability.
My name is Odomo Stephen, the Deputy Resident City Commissioner for Lira East Division. I want to first and foremost thank God for today, and I want to extend my degree of felicitations and appreciation to the Muslim community for their day today. They are celebrating the Eid Day. And I also want to appreciate the Pakistanis, the Pakistan community living here in the city for extending a hand of support to the people living with disability in Lira City. And of course, it's a sign of a good gesture and demonstration of love and kindness to the people living with disability. I also want to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for strengthening religious institutions. Right now, religious institutions have freedom of worship, And this day is celebrated in Uganda because we are now seeing peace, we are seeing transformation, and we are seeing prosperity. I also, on the very same vein, thank him for stabilizing northern Uganda. The region is now safe, and everybody is now progressing because of this peace we see in the region. However, I want to take this time to encourage people living with disability to fully participate in poverty eradication programs like Parish Development Model and Emioka. As we talk right now, I'm glad that they are part and they have been included into some of these programs like PDM and Emioka. And we expect good progress out of them. Through doing this, we are going to achieve goals for socio-economic transformation. I just mentioned for God and my country. What is I said for God and my country?
Okay.
The beneficiaries also express their gratitude to the same.